Hi, my name is Genevieve from Davao City, Philippines, and this video will be posted at TheHubPost.com, that's TheHubPost.com, and this video is about the food peddling businesses in Davao City. This video will be counting down 3 selling snacks door-to-door in a Lenten season. Number 1. Bibingka.
Bibingka is a type of rice cake from the Philippines and in Christian communities in Indonesia. It is usually eaten for breakfast, especially during Christmas season. But today, with or without occasion, Filipinos like bibingka as alternative light meal for breakfast.
Number 2. Cassava cake.
Cassava cake is a classic Filipino dessert made from grated cassava or manioc. Cassava is also known as kamoteng kahoy and balanghoy in the Philippines.
Number 3. Taho.
Taho is a good source of protein. It is made out of soft tofu, ARNIBAL, which is made of sweetener and flavoring, and SAGO or tapioka pearls. It is popular breakfast or snack alternative for Filipino as it is today.
And that's it for today. Hope you enjoy our video. See you again next time. Bye!